Hello lovely audience, welcome back to this latest tutorial video of Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you delete a community into your WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. Firstly, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, just simply go to the community that you want to delete. Step 2. Select the groups that are in community. Now after going to the community, you can just get the option to directly delete the community like the other chats and group. But even if you don't have any option to directly delete it, there is one easy way to delete the community. You just simply have to go to your groups that are in community, and after going to the group, just simply click into this Manage Community button here. And after clicking there, it will give you the option to deactivate the community. Step 3. Deactivate the community. Now after coming here, you just simply have to click into this Deactivate Community option and then click to deactivate to deactive. After doing this, just simply click to deactivate one more time to confirm you are deactivating your community. And after doing this, now you have deleted your community. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching.